I came to do my nails, guys. All right. Hey guys, good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. So today is Saturday and I quickly want to head out and do a few things. One, I need to change some of my plants today. What? Why is your face like this? Watching me for the longest time, you know that I am a plant mom. I do have a couple of plants in my house, but even with all the loving care and attention and, you know, just knowing how to take care of your plants that I do every other day, some plants just feel like when they want to die, nothing is stopping them from dying. Okay, absolutely nothing. So I have a couple of plants that have passed into greater life, have transitioned into eternal life, okay, and I need to replace them today. Like I said before, I'm not sure exactly what killed those plants because I was doing my best. I was not overwatering, I was not underwatering. They had good light source. Those that are indoor plants don't need as much light, so I'm not sure why what happened, but anyway, I think I need to change about 1, 2, 3, at this point like 4 of my plants, but I'm not even sure if I can do all of that. I'm not sure, but I will just take the basic ones I want to do for today. And yeah, let me just show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. Sorry for the poor lighting here. This is this species of snake plants I have outside my bedroom. I'm not sure what happened to this plant. Because it's a snake plant, I don't water it often, and so I'm not sure why this is happening. I'm not sure. Okay, and this is not the first time. Okay, it was fuller than this. So many of the strands have come out just like this before. Like, just look at that. I'm not sure why, so I think I will just stick to the only snake plant that I know that works. Let me show you guys that one. This is the one I know that works. This plant was among the very first batch of plants I bought, and it is still thriving, still doing so well. Not one strand has come out of this pot ever since I got it. Still thriving. I barely water it, maybe like once a month or something, and it's still thriving. This one is super hard to kill, this particular one called the mother-in-law's tongue, and I'm just going to replace that one in my corridor area with this one because I cannot shout. I can't deal anymore. Then look at my my fishtail plant. I'm not sure what happened to this plant because this plant was thriving, doing so well, and then one day decided to brown branch by branch. In fact, I cut off some branches because I couldn't deal with the browning. All right, but this has been going on for a while. So one part will brown and die completely just like this. The other part will now start browning like this. And so I don't know what happened because my routine for this plant did not change. I was watching it the same way I was doing. I was like everything I was doing, I was still doing it. So I'm not sure what exactly happened, and I feel like this particular plant just wanted to die. But anyway, I'm going to change this. I don't know if I want to take this one with me. I'm not sure, but we'll see. This is my green bamboo plant, still doing very well, still thriving, still part of the very first batch of plants I got from my house, and still doing very well. It was a very expensive plant when I got it. It was like 8k. It was actually 10k, but I priced down to 8k, and it's still doing very well. It better do very well because this plant was expensive. Okay, so I'm super happy that this one still does well. Once in a while, the leaves, some of the leaves can turn yellow like this. It just means probably needs more water or too much water, you know. I just know what to do. So once in a while they will turn yellow, but once I reset the routine, it works. So yeah, this one outside my door is my yucca plant. I don't know also what happened to this plant. This plant is an indoor plant that thrives well indoors and doesn't need much water. So this plant was doing very well, it was thriving. All of a sudden too, the branches just started to brown and die one by one. Okay, look at it. It's so ugly right now. Like, it's not even pretty at all, and I've been procrastinating about changing this plant, but I think today is the day that I finally change this plant because this is literally outside my living room door. Anybody who comes into my house, this is the first thing you see, and I feel like this is so ugly. So today is the day that I'm going to change this because I don't know what's happening here. I don't know. All right, so let me get these plants together, the ones I want to change, and head out. All right, that's like the major thing I want to do this morning before the weather, because in Abuja it's super hot. Like, it is super hot in Abuja, so before the sun comes out in full force, let me go and come back. All right.
Photograph your husband sent to you?
Yes, I did. I did. The one that myself, Kosha, he and you took. Because, you know, that picture has always been engraved in my memory for years.
When they came in the morning, I was just I was going through
that old hamper I saw at the dustbin. There were pictures in there.
Yeah, and the other one.
Was this your call up or your, what was this?
This is my discharge.
Okay, let's
because my discharge certificate got lost.
Got lost.
Less than a year after I left Yola.
Wow.
I had to go back to Yola So they said that they don't reissue certificates.
Twice.
So this is what they gave me.
They now gave you this. Guys, look at this address. Look at this address. Oh, Gongola State. That's where you served. What is now known as Adamawa State.
What is now known as Adamawa State?
Gongola State, 17 February 1988. It still looks in very good condition. Very, very good condition.
Read what they wrote there.
This is certified at Benedicta N. Odogu, NYSC number, blah, 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 who graduated from University of Maiduguri, served as a core member in this state from September 1986 to July 1987 at NCA Yola, and successfully completed her 12 calendar months period of national service. Wow. And this is your original certificate. Mom C has been looking for this thing for 15 years. 15 years. She couldn't find her original certificate. She has even gone to the court to go and swear affidavit. Done so many things. Meanwhile, it was sitting down in one basket all these years with old pictures. I'll show you guys all these pictures really soon. But wow, you know, one thing I've realized that some things don't want to be found until a particular time. That's one thing I've realized. So no matter how hard you try to look for them, you will not find them until they want to be found. Second class upper.
Yes, sir.
Upper English.
2-1.
September 1986. Mom C with the brains.
2-1.
Wow. Oh my God.
See, when we arrived Washington dollars.
Oh my God, guys. This was my first and last trip to America. I was only 8 years old, guys. I was only 8. That's my dad. That's my mom. That's my brother, Melba. And me. Wendy was in the belly. Can you guys see? Oh my God. Wow. Oh yes, I remember on this particular day.
1500 Pennsylvania Avenue.
Yes, this was in front of the White House. Oh my God, look at me in the middle. Cole wanted to kill us on this day.
Look at the date.
It was
the date is on the photograph.
Yeah. This was New Year's Day now.
Yeah, New Year's
Day 1998. Oh my God, you guys. Cold. I don't forget that this day was so cold. Chucky, are you watching this? Oh, Chucky has always been cute though. Oh my God. Chucky has always been a cutie. What?
So cute.
Fine boy. I don't forget this is jacket. Chucky loved this jacket. This was Chuck E. Cheese, I think.
See him and Chuck E. Cheese.
This was Christmas Eve, 1997.
Chuck E. Cheese.
Oh my God, Yuki, are you seeing this?
I don't know why people were watching him.
Oh my God, what were we? Look at me. Look at my brain.
Still in the US.
Yeah, this was in the US. We had a very long Christmas holiday that year.
In front of Auntie T's house.
Yeah, this was Christmas Day.
Yeah, Wendy was born.
This was Christmas Day, Mom. Look at me in the black hats and purple and blue dress, pantyhose. This is my cousin. Ike is so big now. This is Ify over here in pink. That's my brother in the middle. That's Melba in red. That's my mom. Oh, and my auntie T, my mom's sister. Oh my God. Wow, memories. I don't forget this trip. I don't forget. This was the first and last time I went to America. First and last. It's been like how many years now, God? Hey. 1998.
24 now.
24 years. Jesus is Lord. You guys, look at my brother and Melba. Look at Chucky and Melba. Oh my God. Melba, are you watching? Oh my God. Chucky was so cute.
Look at him now.
Guys, this picture, that's me on the left.
No, what we'll do, maybe you can blouse why you check or walk.
Oh my God! I see that disco. What? Can you guys see me on the left? Can you see that smile like Mia? Guys, I did not have hair. I didn't have hair. I was like 5 years old, but still, look at my hair. That's my cousin Chokwode. That's my cousin Koscharis and Ihe, my cousins. That's my brother on the far right. Always been cute. He's always been cute.
Have you seen this?
Wow.
See the US trip. See.
Oh, look at all our US trip pictures.
See, where people were going.
Look at Melba on the far right next to Mom. See, Melba was just like 3 years old. Look at Melba.
27 December 97.
Ah, man. That's tricky. We were seeing snow for the first time.
Yeah.
Ah, Lord. What? This is when we left America. That's my uncle. That's me and my brother. When we left America, back to Nigeria, back to real life. Ah, this was McDonald's, I think. This was McDonald's. Same McDonald's. That was the advert that time. This is Melba. We're seeing snow for the first time. Oh my God. Wow, these pictures, the memories. Jeez, wow. Yeah, because now you travel past now, Momsy.
Victoria's Secret.
This was like, okay, there's no dates on the picture. But you were so slim, Mom. Jeez, what? You were so slim.
She came to see me from London now.
Yeah, that's my auntie in London, guys. You guys met her during Chuki's wedding on camera. Melba, what was happening? Melba, look at you. Mommy, this was your blouse, right?
She was doing something in school.
In school, man, look at your slippers. Oh my God. Who put eye pencil for you? Who put eye pencil for you? Is it Grandma? Grandma used to do this thing for me and my sister, for myself and Melba when we were growing up. And then she would put that little dot in the middle. Mommy. So when we were growing up, we would have this, and a dot in the middle. On the days we insisted on wearing makeup because she was wearing her own makeup. Yes, Mia?
Yeah, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Whose birthday was that? Let me see. I don't know whose birthday this was, Mama. This was like a long time ago. I don't know whose birthday this was. I don't know. Hey guys, hope you guys are doing well. I have a full face of makeup because I've spent the whole morning creating content. So I rounded up not too long ago. I'm trying to quickly edit this vlog and have it up today. This is 2 hours to my upload time, and I'm low-key hoping, fingers crossed, that this video goes up today. But just to end the vlog, I also remember that I haven't announced my giveaway winners for a day with Almangu goodie bags, the 2 goodie bags. I just went through the comments all over again just to see and refresh my memory about those of you that entered the giveaway. And once again, thank you so much to every single person that entered. I can only give 2 people. I wish I could give 100 goodie bags giveaway free. I would have done that, but I can only give 2 people. I literally have just 2 bags literally left. So I will give 1 bag to Utonwa Merits. Utonwa Merits, if you're watching, congratulations. I know how much you really wanted to attend this meet and greet. She's based in Aba, and she legit was going to come down to Abuja for this meet and greet. Like, she was going to come, and anyway, whatever happened, and she couldn't make it. So in order to, what is the word now, in order to console you, consolation prize, I'll give you one of the goodie bags, Merit. Thank you for always showing me love and support. I really appreciate that. The second bag I'll be giving to a guy. Okay, I'll be giving to a guy, Duke Vlogs. I think he's one of the only guys, very few guys, that watches my channel, because I know that not many guys watch, maybe more of ladies than men. But this Duke Vlogs, he is active on my page on Instagram and very active here on YouTube, and he said he's a guy that loves skincare products and he doesn't mind trying out the products and everything. So yes, I'll be giving the second bag to Duke Vlogs, even though I don't know what he wants to use the lipstick inside for. I'm not sure, but anyway, yeah, Duke Vlogs and Utonwa Merits, congratulations. I think you guys are both based in the East, but I will definitely send to you. Just send me a DM on Instagram, please, with your preferred. Anyway, just DM me first and we'll talk. All right, so congratulations. I'm so sorry I couldn't give every single person. I love you guys. You guys know I love you. I love you so much. It is ridiculous how much I love you guys. But many more giveaways to come. I still owe you guys a 20k giveaway. I'm not sure what to do for 20k giveaway. I'm thinking maybe cash. I'm thinking maybe 20,000 naira to 2 people, 10k each, or 50,000 naira to 4 people, 5k each. I'm not sure yet, but when I'm ready to do that giveaway, you guys will be the first to know. I also want to say thank you so much for all the love on my last video, the baby number 2 video. You guys, I've been going through the comments and I've not replied even one because I've just been so overwhelmed with the comments and the love and the support. You guys are amazing. I love you guys so much. Anyway, subscribe, share, thumbs up, comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next one.
Almost like I don't know if it's real, cause when we're doing our thing, we're like wheels that won't stop turning. So take me